Hello guys, today we will see question number 180 of aptitude test questions with their solutions on simplification on this video. Let's go to the question. Question number 180. The question says that a man earns $20 on the first day and spends $15 on the next day. He again earns $20 on the third day and spends $15 on the fourth day. If he continues to save like this, how soon will he save $60 in hand? A. On 70th day, B. on 27th day, C. on 30th day, D. on 40th day. As usual, try to search the correct answer for this question by your own. So pause this video for a while and perform the operation for this question and try to search the answer or the correct answer. I hope you did that and you get the correct answer for this question. This question seems somewhat complicated and it needs further analysis, and you have to first carefully read the question 2 or 3 and more times to understand or to get the theme or the core of the question. So you have to repeatedly read the question, understand it, and after that it may be easy for you to get the correct answer. Now, what it says is that on the first day, a man earns $20. Then on the second day, he spends $15. So at the end of the second day, he will have $5 net on his hand, 20 minus 15. That means at the end of the second day. And again, on the third day, he gets $20, and on the fourth day, he spends $15. So again, at the end of the fourth day, the man will have $10. That means $5 on the first 2 days, and again $5 on the next 2 days. So on aggregate, he will have $10 at the end of the fourth day. Again, on the fifth day, he will get $20. So on the fifth day, he will have $30. That means the amount or the net at the end of the fourth day, it is 10 plus what he gets on the fifth day, $20. 10 plus 20, he will get $30, or he will have $30 on his hand at the fifth day, on the fifth day. So it continues in such a way. So what is required is on which day he will have $60 on his hand. So let us convert this word problem into equation as such. What it says that on every odd day, he gets $20, and on every even day, he spends $15. Then the man saves the net amount of $5 after completing 2-day cycles. That means on every 2-day cycle, he will add $5. That is the amount of money after complete 2-day cycle is $5. Now, on the next odd day, he earns another $20. He adds another $20. So the money becomes 5n plus 20, where n represents number of complete 2 days. number of complete 2 days. Then we need to equate 60 to this equation. That means 5n plus 20 is equal to 60. 5n then is equal to 40. And n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. That means each cycle has 2 days and n is equal to 8 means 60. 8 times by 2, which is equal to 16. Then after 16 days, he has $40. And on the next day, that means on the next even day, that means on the 70th day, he earns or he adds $20 more. And the total amount of money that he will have on hand will be 40 plus 20, which is equal to 60. So on the 70th day, he has $60 on hand. So your answer for this question is choice A. Choice A is the correct answer. Okay, this is all about for today, and these similar questions are just provided you on a weekly basis on BEEC Academy. On BEEC Academy, I'm just providing you aptitude test questions. These aptitude test questions are very important for students and also for graduates, because for students, these questions will appear in grade 12 matric examination, and again for graduates who are searching for a job, aptitude test questions will appear in any type of vacancy examination, especially those graduates who may want to join the banking industry and that of the insurance companies. You have to know how to solve aptitude test questions, because in most bank and insurance companies, entrance exams for fresh graduates are just aptitude test questions. So if you know how to solve these questions or similar aptitude test questions, then you may succeed in any type of examination. So you have to join this channel, be a member of the channel. Again, invite other students and graduates who may need aptitude test questions.